We'll guide you through how to fix a Samsung phone not registered on network. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying, so let's get started. First of all, drag down from the top of your phone like so, and then you want to try putting it into plane mode or flight mode. Go and click on the icon like so, and wait, and then what you can do is click it again to take it back out of it. If that solves your problem, then great. However, if it doesn't, try restarting your phone. To do that, you can hold the power button. You may need to hold the volume down button as well. And you can click on restart and restart again and wait. After the phone is restarted, see if the problem is solved. If it still isn't, then go and open up your settings. Now go and scroll down to General Management here. And you then want to scroll to the bottom of General Management and click on Reset. On the Reset page, you can scroll down and click on Reset Mobile Network Settings. Click there, you can click on Reset Settings, and you can follow through with the steps. You'll see a message saying Network Settings Reset. Go and see if that solved your problem. If it still hasn't, then it's worth taking out your SIM card and then checking it over, cleaning it off, and putting it back in. See if that solves the problem. Otherwise, go and contact your carrier. I hope you found this useful.